siasa itu ya Kisii County.
Yes.
Dibere liga sene kumo kegoro. To me it's unnecessary. Ebona. Very unnecessary. Ebona. One ngantu wata bara ibaro bari chobisi. Actually my sister I have to go on record I'm not campaigning. It was this one of the forums tokonyora kwa na bantu baito ku synthesize kwa tenga this was supposed to be akimono siasa dibere limokire. And I think nearly to what our people have divergent views. And you see in a democracy, I may not agree with what you are saying, but I will protect what you are saying.
Okay.
Yeah. I will not wend the weaker. Tatinga, even the view kwana, na governor ne, na senator ne, na my member of parliament, na oninjo mo as a person. I may not agree with you.
Yes.
Lakini wikangu bwatesi egende kyokwana oyekwana oyekore osebano mato okora igo
oy wichinga kicha
bantu okora igo twatore bantu twanga siasa ite eko machwa bone kyarero ise yumatenchiro inkingu mukire abantu unabona ngo sina matanga bonere ngwana na matanga usengenya milioni ndongarero inkingu mukire abantu ngabachi ngabambwa atikocho why kwese tiangende ndemi family eri monas bali bananyo ororo bakwane nsoke usibona taringa but into to was siasa no nintu and I will pray no na abaito bakugichukura abandi batari obvious na barabu mbachangita segenteke ebona